Okay, I'm back at it again. This is episode 2, landing my first deal. What's good, everybody? It's Vaughn, and this is where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. So go ahead and scroll into the description, click the link next to WeBull, and collect your 12 free stocks. If you haven't seen episode 1, then you need to stop right there, back it up, because you don't have a wristband. But for real though, you need to go ahead and check it out so that you can get up to speed, because if I confuse you, then I'm going to lose you. And I definitely don't want to lose you because you're my friend and we got to stick together until the end. Okay, so now that you're up to speed and you didn't have to read and you stopped smoking that weed, we're going to get the show on the road. In this episode, you're going to learn how to find the buyers. So that's enough with the fluff. We're going to go ahead and get right into the important stuff. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to be teaching you 3 different ways that you can find builders. We're going to start off with Redfin. So you go ahead and go into your browser and type in redfin.com. Then you want to enter a zip code. So right here, you can see that I have a zip code in Lehigh County because that's the county that we were looking at when we were in the PropStream. So you go here, and then for sale, you're going to go ahead and click sold. Putting that down. Last 3 months. You got to enter the criteria so that they can. I don't know what to have. Oh, I actually clicked those. Right. Enter the criteria for price. You can leave that alone. Home type, you want to click land because this is the man with the plan and we're going to learn how to wholesale land. Looks like they're having some custom built homes in this area and they're already marketing them. These are some vacant lots that sold as well. See, 17.5, 17.5, 17.5. Then what you would do is click on this lot. Scroll down. And you'll see bought with Courtney Harris from Extreme Real Estate LLC. So you go to Google, look up Courtney Harris, because Courtney Harris might be in Paris, at Fort Myers. This is probably Courtney. Courtney with the good hair. So essentially what you would do is you would look up Courtney, do some research on Courtney, then find her contact information. So it looks like this is her right here. That was perfect. It just came up with the business card. So you just go ahead and reach out to Courtney. You just reach out to Courtney and ask her if her client is interested in purchasing any more properties. So that's one free way that you can locate builders in a specific area. In this situation, you're creating value for the agent because you're bringing them a product and they're working together with the buyer so that they can sell that product to them and they get paid a commission. So it's a win-win situation. And that is that for Redfin. Okay, option number 2, PropStream. So if you want to get to the green, you gotta create a team and then download PropStream so that you can create a new income stream. Yes, sir. So you're gonna go over to PropStream. You're gonna put that zip code in the search bar. You go to filter. Vacant land. They're gonna do this quick and fast, so then we can complete the next task. Vacant land for property classification. Property type, vacant land residential, and general vacant land. Because some of the properties that we're looking for will come up as residential vacant land because we're looking for infill lots. Then you want to go to MLS status, but no. Scroll down to ownership information. You don't have to put anything for pre-foreclosure or bank owned. For maximum, you're going to say 1 year because we're looking for people who bought in properties recently. And so we're going to look for the last sale date to be between January 1st of 2024 up until today. So less than the last 3 months. Number of properties owned, you want them to own at least 3 properties, minimum of 3 properties. Then the assessed land value under valuation and equity information is going to be a minimum of $5,000 so that it eliminates the properties that we're not interested in. Boom. So you go back here, put in the zip code. We in Lehigh Acres. Then, see this thing got about 33,000. No, 3,300. Oh, loan balance. They buying anything. Cash. They put in the cash money. The cash money. The cash money. Hold on, this individual buying them. All right, so what we're looking for is companies. Wait, did I put corporate? Did I put corporate in the filter? Oh, I didn't put corporate in the filter. Ownership type corporate. That way it eliminates those individuals, because you see there was individuals coming up, but what we're looking for is companies, because we're trying to sell to the construction companies, and that just eliminated 1,200 people. So I ain't gotta sift through them 12,000 people, 1,200 people. We Song Realty Investment. Oh, let me see how much properties they own. Holy, we Song doing this thing. We Song doing this thing over here. And hey, Lehigh, hey, you know what I'm saying? So boom. All right, wait, right here. Another thing that you could go to is opencorporate.com. Google. Open corporates with an S. Opencorporates.com. Type in the company name. It's going to give you more information. So boom, he coming up. Florida C. It says Xing Chong. It's saying Xing Zhong Dong. Xing Zhong Dong owns the company. Boom, give that information. Now that you got Xing Zhong Dong, now we got Xing Zhong Dong. This website isn't working for me because I'm in Jamaica, but you would go to truepeoplesearch.com. And once you're there, you type in that individual's name and it will give you the phone number. So right now it's showing that the website is blocked because I'm out of the country. So I guess they think I'm trying to hack them or something. So they want to give me that access. And even when I turn on my VPN, it doesn't work. So I'm giving y'all the game so that your life will never be the same. But right now I can't give you the visual. But I told you what you need to do. So just go ahead and do that thing. And in addition to that, option number 3 is LinkedIn. So you would go ahead and look up the companies on PropStream the same way that I did. And once you find a company's name, you'll type that in on LinkedIn, reach out to that person, introduce yourself, and try to get more information pertaining to their land acquisition. As I mentioned in my last video, if you're interested in trying out PropStream, you can go ahead and scroll into the description and click the link and get your free 7-day trial. After that, it'll be $97 per month. But this resource will be a critical component to your success when it comes to wholesaling land. I know we went over a lot of information and it may be difficult to contain the information in your brain, but all you have to do is go ahead and watch it again because repetition is the mother of all skills. And if you want to build, you can't just chill. You got to stand still and pay attention to the things that I'm trying to mention. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out episode 1. And it's about that time. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.